So, today I am going to Target to buy my Persona album since I didn't pre-order it because I didn't know if if I would like the album enough to pre-order it. But I'm gonna go and hopefully the Target has it. I checked online and it said that it was in stock. So, I just have to get ready and then I'll be going. Of course, first I have to go to the bank because I'm poor. And then, I'll go to Target. So I just got out the bank and I only took out like $20 since I had some cash on me. Now I'm just waiting for my sister to get back and then we'll be on our way to Target. And hopefully everything goes great. I find it and I buy it and then life is set. Hello, so we're at Target right now and I got my album. I got version 1. And
Who are you vlogging for? Do you have like a channel?
no. Anyway, I was in the music part. My sister found out her album and it was literally open and emptied, and so they put it from like $25 to $11. And I was thinking about getting it, but also what's the point? And so now I'm just waiting for my sister to find her stuff, and then we'll check out, and then I'll be opening this album, and life is great. Okay guys, so I'm finally home and I am able to unbox this, and I just want to say I love the color. Like, I don't typically like the color pink, but like light pink is so pretty to me. So let's try and open this. And on the album you could see that it has like longitude and latitude lines, and then like I guess the points are just supposed to be different parts. Oh shoot, like different cities, like how you find it on the map. And I just think it's so like clever. And it just says version 1, map of the soul and persona, and then the design is a little heart. And instead of having like the slip-on cover like they did with Love Yourself, it's just like a book. And so here's the poster. Oh my god, this is huge. Wait. This is so big. I don't know where I'll put it, but it's so cute. I love them. Okay. So let's fold this back up. And then the photo book. Oh, it's in like a little book sleeve. I like that. Let me just... Okay. I'll hide all of that for now. Okay. So here's just the track list. And then the cover is just blank. I like how they changed the font like midway. It's pretty cool. And then let's just do a quick flip through. Again, longitude, latitude lines. So pretty. I swear I have these Nerf guns somewhere. So cute. Okay. I love blue hair tag. That's literally all I care about. They look so soft. Oh my god, wait, I love this. Oh, there's more? Okay. They give us a lot of stuff this album. Oh, confetti. Okay. Oh my god. Cookie has a cookie. So literally, oh my god, wait. I love these things. They're actually really good too. This photo shoot is literally just so cute. Okay, track list, and then lyrics. Oh, and thanks. Okay. Okay. Let's put this back. Okay. Now. Oh, which way is this? This is so cute. Here, oh. Oh, I love this. Honestly, this is probably my favorite part so far. Like, the camera film thing. It's so cute. Okay. And then... I don't know what that says. This is like the softest picture. Oh my god. And then his little... I love this. That makes me so happy. Oh, that's my thing. Yay! This is the second time I got a Tay photo card. I'm so happy. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Oh my god. I don't know. Oh, big auditions and then the notes. Oh god. I love this. I honestly want to go back and buy another album. But like, oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Well, I hope you guys like the video. I'm very happy. Oh my god, okay. Well, bye.